For 13 through 16, we're writing the equation of the circle in standard form, given the center and the radius. So remember, when you put the center in, it's subtraction. It's x minus the h value and y minus the k value. So for number 13, when you have x minus 0, remember that'll simplify to just x. So we're going to have x squared plus y minus 0 is just y, so y squared equals the radius squared. 1 squared is 1 times 1, which is just 1. So remember, that's called the unit circle, and that's the equation. X squared plus y squared equals 1. Don't forget the squaring, and don't forget different variables there, x and y. Number 14, the center is 0, 4. So when we do x minus h, x minus 0 is still just x. So that would be x squared plus y minus k, y minus 4. And don't forget to square that, equaling the radius squared. So 4 squared is 16. So the equation would be x squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 16. Make sure you're squaring, have addition between the terms, that you have an x and a y, and don't forget to square your radius. Number 15, we would have x minus a negative 4, which would make that become x plus 4 squared, plus y minus 2 squared equals the radius squared. 3 squared is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Number 16, our center is negative 3, negative 5. So when we do x minus a negative 3, that becomes x plus 3 squared, plus y minus a negative 5 is y plus 5 squared, equals the radius squared. 5 squared is 25. So remember, the sign will be the opposite of the sign of the coordinate of the center. You will need to know this equation of a circle. You won't be given that on your test.